Hello kids, today we will learn birds alphabet. A is for albatross. B is for blackbird. C is for chicken. D is for duck. E is for eagle. F is for falcon. G is for goose. H is for hummingbird. I is for ibis. J is for jay. K is for kingfisher. L is for lorikeet. M is for macaw. N is for nene. O is for owl. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for raven. S is for swan. T is for toucan. U is for umbrellabird. V is for vulture. W is for woodpecker. X is for Xenops. Y is for Yellowhammer. Z is for zebra finch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.